Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Coinbase phone number. Open the Coinbase app or website and sign in, then navigate to Settings and Security to find phone number options. Prepare your current phone to receive a verification code and have the new number ready for its code. Follow on-screen prompts carefully and do not skip backups or recovery methods during the process to avoid losing access. In this video, I will show how to change Coinbase phone number. Tap the option to verify your current number. Coinbase will send a text code to that device. Enter the verification code promptly and confirm so the platform recognizes you as the account owner. If you do not receive the code, try resending, check signal and message filters, or use a secondary recovery method if available to complete verification securely. In this video, I will show how to change Coinbase phone number. Quick recommendation: if you find value here, subscribe and like to help others discover the guide. On another note, I recommend The Simple Path to Wealth as a practical book that can change how you think about money and savings, and it pairs nicely with smart crypto habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Coinbase phone number. Choose Add Phone or Change Number and type the new phone digits. Then request the verification SMS to that device. Enter the new code when it arrives to confirm the swap and double-check that the new number appears in your security settings. Review two-factor authentication choices and update any backup methods so you remain fully able to access your account afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.